My name's Staddon. I'm a service foreman here at FBi Buildings. We're out here in St. John at T&M Tires installing snow guards on this building. Yeah, your main purpose for snow guard is if you get a heavy snow load, as the snow comes off, it doesn't just hit the bottom and hang out. It gives you a buffer so it slowly leaks out and it doesn't freeze over on your gutters, making icicles or busting your gutters off the wall or causing damage to your barge. It just slows the snow down and lets it melt easily. You want to keep your snow guard about 4 foot up so when the snow starts melting, it doesn't overload the gutter or refreeze and stop your gutters up. So there's multiple ways to run this. If the run was bigger, you put 2 rows in, one about 5 foot up and one across the middle to help with the snow load. You don't want to do more than that. It puts too much weight on the roof or it can compromise the roof, put stress on it you don't need. When you lay this stuff, you want to stay about 18 inches off the end so you don't mess with the rake trim. You also, when you run it, you don't run it linear. You want to put a little space in between and cause a buffer so snow can come down. Right now we're marking out our 5 foot mark so we know where to hang the bottom of our snow guard. We're going to snap a chalk line to keep it straight. You want to give yourself, when you start this stuff, a little buffer between here and the rake so you don't make issues for yourself here. We're marking out so we know where our caulking is going to have to go. Caulking here, because when you put metal over metal, it does make a void in the middle. We're eliminating that void. Make sure you like it before you set it. There you go. Set your top on your end. You just want a little buffer in between your pieces. There was previously snow guard on here. They're just nylon foam pads. As you can see, they all failed and gave out. Here's a couple that are still up on the roof or in this gutter. We're all done here at T&M. If you liked the video and want to see more, like, comment, and subscribe.